Hey, what up guys, how's it going? I have something super cool here. This is the Nomad rugged leather case made for the iPhone 11 Pro. Now this is genuine Horween leather and it's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna bring the camera in closer and we'll go ahead and unbox it and take a look at it. Laters. Okay, let's go ahead and look at these Nomad rugged cases here. Now I am gonna be doing giveaways, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Ooh. Okay, I'm digging the brown. It's sexy. It's sexy. Now let me go ahead and come in closer so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, so here's a closer look and here's the interior. It's like a nice felt type of material, really soft. And this is really durable. It doesn't feel cheap and it's not flimsy at all. And let's take a look at that Horween leather in the back. I like how they say it's gonna kind of age with you the longer you have it. You know what I mean? That's a nice subtle brown there. I'm really digging that. Okay, now here's the same one but in black, and let's bring that in closer. All right, so here's the black one. Nice closer look, and yeah, not too bad. Soft but nice. Now let's go ahead and put my phone in there, see what it looks like. Now I have an iPhone 11 Pro, and don't worry, even with this case, wireless charging is still supported. So you can go ahead and put this right on your Nomad wireless charger and it will still work. Now I'll be honest, this is a great fit. Wow, I'm digging that. Okay, and here's the brown with my phone inside. And as you can see, it is very well thought out and engineered, and I do like the two spaces for you to go ahead and put a lanyard or a strap on there. Now looking at this case, I believe it's Horween Leather Company of Chicago, one of America's oldest tanneries. Over time, the raw vegetable tan leather will patina, developing a look that is exclusively yours. From day 1 to 100, your case will weather but not wear out, creating a handsome, rich character unique just to you. Now they've taken the same minimalist design as their previous rugged case, but they've gone even further, with an even stronger bottom bumper and 2 new lanyard attachment points. The elegant design still offers maximum protection that you need. Now this has a full rubber frame and wraparound TPE bumper to ensure you can enjoy a beautiful look of leather without worrying about damage to the phone. All right, thanks to our good friends over there at Nomad, here is the stuff I'm going to be giving away. I have 3 straps I'm going to be giving away, as well as the 2 leather cases shown in the unboxings. So yeah, go ahead and comment in the comment section and good luck. Laters. All right, I got some super cool giveaways from Nomad, and you want to know how to enter? Well, it's simple. All you got to do is leave a comment in the comment section. Now, I'm just going to randomly pick somebody in the comment section. The only thing I want to say is make sure to watch your notifications, because if I reply to you and say, hey, send me a DM on Twitter with all of your information so I can send you this giveaway, you got to make sure you reply, because there have been times I've done that and then people don't reply. Then I got to pick somebody else. So that sucks, right? Right. But anyways, this super cool Nomad gear can be yours. You just got to enter. Laters.